Counter foul. Last 2 Connect. Nah, coba. Jersey number 1, delegate jersey number 19, holding jersey number 20. Manggubat for 2, Connect. Number 19 to jersey number 1, delegate jersey number 19, holding jersey number 20. Mr. Pao to Mr. Manggubat. Harapkan kebasahan demi serangan demi serban. Dalikan Mr. Manggubat to Minanes Connect. Jersey number 12 dalam dolan sebagai Sudeyo. Time to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. 9 minutes. 4, 3. Nakuha yung jersey number 20 Mr. Manggubat yung jersey number 12 Connect. Dito sa gitna. Nakuha yung jersey number 12 Mr. Dio nagmamadali. Pinasa kay jersey number 20 Connect. 50 to shoot. Last 43. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last 2 seconds. Time out, right? Manggubat inbound the ball. Pass to jersey number 3 to Minanes Connect. Lost. Connect. Jersey number 20 pass to Fifty to shoot. No good. Pero may ng foul. Agak. Manggubat 2 points. Nakuha ngayon ng jersey number 25, Pastor Rupino. Rupino ito along sa ilalim. Correct! 4-7. Balik na si Agang dribbling the ball. Foul. Semi warning for penalty. Irish to jersey number 30, last one. In the shoot. Jersey number. Shoot. Rupino, pumila ng dos. Connect. Score. 4-9. Kompleto. Dahan-dahan pass to jersey number 25. To jersey number 25. 4-3. No good. Kuha ngayon jersey number 5 ang bola. Jersey number 5. Nagmamadali. Itinasa. Nakabugatin ang bola. Steve Miano. Right, last one and 46. To jersey number 12, to jersey number 3, to jersey number 3, 18 to shoot. 10. To rebound, 2 points. To Harata. Adam. Jersey number 5, Burham ay dala ng bola. Ibinasa kay jersey number 20 with jersey number 3, Mr. Adam tumira ng 3. No, good ako ngayon ni Randy Dr. Rupino. Taas to Alo balik ang Rupino. Nakuha ngayon jersey number 20, Mangguma to jersey number 3, point 2, connect. The 7 to play. 25. 15 to shoot. Last 20. Last 16. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. With jersey number 20, who pull it out for the second shot clock. And shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Magbuhat ang may dala ng bola. Nagdahan-dahan ang pagkakasahan kung di Sir Adam. Balikan din sa magbuhat. 15 to shoot. Wow! Nakakuha din din Sir Buang bola. Foul! Jersey number 8. Nahuli. Jersey number 1 tumira ng dress. Good back. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 11, Mr. Pan, to Mr. Adam, tumira ng dress. Naging kabuhin ng jersey number 5 ang bola. Tinasakan jersey number 19. Nahuli. Jersey number 3 to jersey number 11. Nakuha ng jersey number 1 ang bola to jersey number 6 numero 12. Mr. Kingis to jersey number 3. Hello, jersey number 20 to jersey number 19 to jersey number 1. Delegate jersey number 19. Nahuli ngayon ng jersey number 20. Magbuhat for 2. Connect. Score. 17-15. Ereshka. 15 to shoot. 10. 2 points. Jersey number 3. Magbuhat. Gagawin ni Mr. Paul bola. Mr. Paul to jersey number 1. Nahuli jersey number 3. Jersey number 1. Mr. Pao to Mr. Manggubat. Harap ng kabasahan to Mr. Alang to Mr. Pao. Dalikan Mr. Manggubat to Minanes. Correct. Last 1 and 56 seconds. Jersey number 1 to jersey number 18. Tumira na tayo si jersey number 20. Hindi pumasok ni Sir Limpes. Nagmamalis sa gitna naman. Tumiritso. No good. Nakuha ni Mr. Pan. Correct. Jersey number 6. Over. Magbuhat yung nila ng bola ng mga nalipas for Teo. For 2. Hindi pumasok. 14 shot clock. Mr. Adam. No good. Nakuha jersey number 11. Jersey number 12 ng Donas by Sir Deo. Time to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Seconds to play. 15 shoot. Going back. Last 50. 25. number 19 ang may dala ng bola. Last 30. 15 to shoot. Connect. 3 points. Last 20 seconds. 15 to shoot. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time minute. Count it. And it's good. Jersey number 20 ni Sir Manggubat ng Nasin, hindi pumasok, maglamig ni Sir Rufino. Rufino jersey number 30 nagtandaan, nakaspray jersey number 5 to jersey number 1 to jersey number 30 to jersey number 7 is tonight ni Sir Paul. Hindi ang pumasok. Jersey number 5 yung may dala ng bola ni Sir Paul, ha? Ipinasa kay jersey number 20 ni Sir Adam. Jersey number 5. Pula lang nila. 15 to shoot. 14 to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3. Jersey number 5 yung nadala ng bola, pinasa by ni 4. Mr. Alang, tuloy na dress. No good na ko ni Mr. Puwakola. Jersey number 30 ngayon. Correct. Let's go. To shoot. Deep to muscle. Nakuha yung jersey number 20 Mr. Manggubat yung jersey number 12. Connect. The beside zero. He scored 27-0. Jersey number 1 hanap ng kabasahan ng Mr. Stuman jersey number 7. 15 to shoot. To jersey number 9. Let's go. Offensive foul in jersey number 5. Last 3 minutes. Time. Last 2:55. Is command tumira ng press. Bupong pasok. Nakuha yung jersey naman ang bola ang by. Send-one for penalty. Ricardas. Jersey number 2, jersey number 20. Mr. Agang tumira ng press. No good. Mr. Escobar nagmamalit binangga. Tinawagan ng foul. In the shoot, Mr. Ranino. To Mr. Manggubat na binawa ng bola. Pwede yung pakikap nila ng Uligot sa gitna. Ang jersey number 12 ni Sir Dino nagmamadali. Pinasa kay jersey number 20. Connect. Rupino ngayon may dala ng bola. Aras kay jersey number 5. Umpisa po ang naglabas ng bola po, jersey number 30 to Mr. Mabunong. To jersey number 1. 15 to shoot. Jersey number 1 to Mira. Di pala, ipinasa kay 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Connect. 3 points. Last 1 and 32. Taking the ship. 10, 9, 8, 7. Last one again. Provincia Mamuno, número 3, pasok, Mari. Seconds to play. 15 to shoot. Misayalan muli na ng best. Ten to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Last 34. Last 25. 15 to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 5. Semi warning for 5. Second home. Hello, bye. Ini jadi dengan bola. Last 4 seconds. Last 3, 2, 1. Time the bell. Mamuno tumira. Hindi pumasok na kuwang unit jersey number 24 para niya. Montajes no good. Jersey number 32. Nakuha rin yung Sir Aga ng bola. Harassment jersey number 20. Oh, we got the little soccer net. Wow! Sir Aga. 15 shot. Oh, good. Nakuha pa rin yung Mamuno ang bola. Nice one daw. Connect. Jersey number 22, Mr. Adam Pham is there. Fifteen to shoot. Montajes tumira, di pa rin umabot. Nakuha ngayon ni jersey number 25 ang bola. To Mr. Alino, to Mr. Robino. Nakuha ngayon ni jersey number 20. Di pa rin pumasok. Nakuha ngayon ni jersey number 3, Mr. Ano ng bola. To jersey number 11. Foul is jersey. He scored 43-34. Regadasi. From that minister 2 points. Mamuno to jersey number 5. To Mr. Deo. Umikot to Wilson. Double nakuha ni jersey number 11 ang bola. Tumira, no good. Nakuha ni Oman ang bola. Jersey number 25. Last 5 and 3, Mamuno. 15%. No good. Mr. Abang yang nila ng bola. Tumira, nakuha pa rin ni Mr. Abang ni Mr. Deo. Mr. Deo pa rin. Last 5 and 25. Foul. Manggubat. Itu shoot. Terus nabuntang wala rin sa bigpis ang walang pass ng jersey number 24 para yung nagmamadali gumaan sa gitna merit sa 2 points correct. Last ball and 27 shot clock down to be clear. 10 9 8 7 Mr. Adam sa gitna naman foul Mr. Last 4 minutes. Shoot. 10, 9, 8. Last 3 and 35. To shoot. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4. Good. Nakuha niyo yung jersey number 30 ang bola. Ropina, 3 points. Last 3 minutes. 14 to shoot. User akan pindah na address. Nagun ako ng jersey number 20. Well, that new jersey number 5. Okay. So, Mr. Ropino tumira na address. No good. Blue jersey number 7, 15 to shoot. Blue jersey number 1. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good. Last 2 minutes. Taking the shoot.
Foul.
Jersey number 24. Running for penalty, both team. Is kembali tumira ng dress. Pumasok ang kanilang gubat. 3 points lead. Unang bitaw. No good.
Labay tayo.
No good pa rin. Mr. Ropino 15 to shoot sa ilalim ni Ceres ng foul. Penalty na penalty. Last second. Second to Money. Last one and 25 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10, 9, 8. Penalty na lang. Jersey number 1. Solivia. One for foul out. Solivia. First foul and foul. Second to Buddy. To shoot. Seconds away. 10 shot clock. First two, correct. Last 57 seconds. Second two, correct. 50. 50 to shoot. Last 43. 30. Ace kumandang foul. Last 38 seconds.
Mamar.
Sabi itu sebenarnya kan last 38 seconds. Last 35. Last 30. 15 to shoot. Romeo Andres, no good. 15. Last 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last 2 seconds. Time out, right?
Overtime.
Bola yang bisa Pino to jersey number 25 Tamura. Is Putting the ship. Plan. Sir Mamura. Rebounds. He scored 56 all. No, nakuha ni Mr. Ralino. Connect. Foul. Counter foul. Last 3 minutes. He scored 58-59. Arushka. Mr. Doyo. First turn. Second turn. No good. Second turn. Go. To the slip. Last 2:25. Mr. Pino Dumerezo, pasok, he scores 61 last 2:13. Connect. Fifteen to shoot, last 2 minutes. Seconds. He scores 61-65. Arushka. 15 to shoot.
Gamitan time.
Last 1:35. 15 to shoot. 10. 6. Maging sa tumira ng tres, dito masok ang kumayo ni Mr. Mangulaw. Pasok. Last 1 and 9 seconds. No good. Seconds to play. Pukul masuk. No good kanan. Boleh. Last 37 seconds.
Sure, dua leg.
Last 36 seconds. Now, Mr. Pino.
Nice one.
First throw connect. Second throw, no good. Last 20 seconds. Mr. Pino punya terus. Foul. Connect. Last 23 seconds. Baru.
Gamitan time, gamitan time.
Last 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Last 6 seconds. Mr. Pino. Foul out ka namin, sir. Tira na. Nice play!